Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Nutella burrito. To begin, gather your ingredients: a soft tortilla, a jar of Nutella, and one ripe banana. Make sure your tortilla is fresh and pliable for easy rolling. You'll also need a knife for slicing the banana and a spoon for spreading the delicious hazelnut spread. Lay your tortilla flat on a clean surface. Using a spoon, spread about 2 tablespoons of Nutella evenly across the tortilla, leaving a small 1-inch margin around the edges. Next, carefully slice one ripe banana into thin, round pieces. Arrange these banana slices neatly over the Nutella, ensuring good coverage for every bite. Now for the rolling, begin by folding in the left and right sides of your tortilla, about 1 inch each. This creates a secure base. Then, starting from the bottom edge closest to you, roll the tortilla upwards, keeping it as tight as possible. This technique prevents any filling from escaping and gives you a perfect, portable treat. Your Nutella burrito is almost ready. For the best experience, slice it in half diagonally. This makes it easier to handle and showcases the delicious layers inside. You can enjoy it as is, or for an extra touch, dust it lightly with powdered sugar. It's a simple, delightful treat perfect for any time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.